It looks something like this.
Hello gorgeous! Today I have a video for you all about skincare. I'm gonna give you my best skincare hacks. So these are tips and tricks to get beautiful skin, and some of them are for those of you who may be on a budget. So if you wanna learn all I know about skincare, keep watching. Okay, so number one skincare tip / hack is SPF. It's so important to wear SPF on an everyday basis because once you get sun damage, there's no reversing it. So you wanna find a good moisturizer with SPF. I have the Origins Plantscription. This is SPF 25, and you wanna put it on before any makeup touches your face because you want to prevent any type of sun damage. Number two, since we're on the topic of moisturizer, let's keep talking about it. When you are in a pinch and you need to remove your eye makeup, use your moisturizer, but don't get it in your eye, just around your eye. Apply with a little Q-tip and get off the eyeliner, maybe a little bit of mascara. Again, don't get it in your eye, but around, and then remove with a clean piece of toilet paper. This is great if you're traveling or if you're just completely out of your makeup remover wipes. In a pinch, this will do the job. Number three, essential oils. If you have a pimple that's getting ready to come out, get yourself some tea tree oil, spot treat at bedtime, with a little Q-tip, and then when you wake up in the morning, chances are your pimple's gonna look a lot better. I've been using tea tree oil for acne treatment for a long time, and it always does the job for me. Okay, number four, use a serum. So many women I know don't even know about serums, and that's it's just such a shame to me because they make such a big difference in my skincare routine. I've been using the Origins Plantscription Anti-Aging Power Serum now for a while. This is so great. You apply it after you tone but before you moisturize. This is one of the best kept secrets, guys, when it comes to skincare because it really helps to lock in hydration into your skin before putting on the moisturizer. So this serum is awesome because it's not only all natural, but it's going to help visibly reduce wrinkles within 2 weeks. Hello, that's amazing. It's gonna also help boost your collagen production, which we all know that is what we need to keep our skin looking great. I've been using Origins for a while because I can trust the ingredients that they put into their products. So for me, what I put into my body is just as important as what I put on my body. That's why I like their products. Number five is all about the eye cream. Did you know that if you have puffy under eyes, you should be storing your eye cream in the refrigerator so that when you apply it in the morning, it's cool and it will help reduce that puffiness. Also, another eye cream tip is apply your eye cream around your lips if you're having chapped issues, or if you're starting to see the fine lines developing around your lips. That eye cream will allow for a lot more hydration and moisturization around that area. Number six, exfoliation. So many people I know forget to exfoliate, and it is so essential, people. Do you know how much dead skin is on our bodies? If we don't constantly remove that dead skin, we're not going to allow our skin to really show the shine that is underneath. So exfoliate. You can create your own exfoliators with household items like Epsom salt, sea salt, coffee grinds, but exfoliate, and not just the face, but your whole body, but most importantly, your face. Number seven, drink your water. You need to stay hydrated for beautiful skin, so drink it up. Hack number 8, keep your product samples. These little guys, every time you shop at Sephora or department stores and they throw some samples in your bag, keep them, put them in a basket, store them under your guest room, bathroom sink, or under your bathroom sink. That's exciting, huh? I have Miss MacKenlee behind the camera right now. She's my producer for this particular video. But keep your product samples in a basket so that you can easily grab them on the go when you're traveling or when you have guests in town. If they forgot something, then they have some samples that they can use. Hack number 9, don't neglect your neck and décolleté. So important. The very first place that your age starts to show is your neck. So when you are using your moisturizer, don't just stop at your jawline, carry it down to your neck and on your décolleté. And if you're like me and you have some sun damage, you especially need to moisturize. So make sure that you're applying those areas every day. 10 is your hands. Guys, this is the other place that your age starts to show really early on as well. So take care of them. Apply some SPF to them because think about when you're driving, the sun's hitting them. Sometimes when you're shading your face, you're not shading your hands. And if you're applying your serum at night, why not just add a little bit to the hands? Keep them moisturized and keep them just hydrated. 11, when you are showering and you're shampooing and conditioning your hair, This is a big one. If you're having issues with your upper back and shoulders having some acne, make sure that after you wash your hair and you rinse it out, that you lift your hair up and you're rinsing your shoulders and your neck really, really well in the water, because a lot of times your conditioner sits there and it irritates your skin. I know a lot of people don't think about that, but have you ever gotten out of the shower and you touch and this still feels a little bit soapy? Those products aren't meant for your skin, so make sure that you're rinsing them off really well. Number 12, let's talk about spray tans. I have a fresh spray tan right now. How do you keep it lasting longer? A, you don't take hot showers. The hot water is just gonna strip the color off of your skin. And B, stay as moisturized as possible. When you're moisturizing, even if you are gonna moisturize, maybe think about mixing in a little bit of sunless tanner into your moisturizer and apply it nightly, and that's gonna really help you live the longevity out of your tan. Number 13. Number 13. Okay guys, this one is about face masks. Learn how to make your own. I used to all the time when I was on a budget, when I was a college student, I would make my own skin masks, facial masks out of yogurt, and sometimes I'd mix in some honey or some lemon juice, and honestly my skin looked amazing. 14 is shave your face. Yes, you heard me right, I said shave your face. When I was pregnant, I got a whole lot of hair on my face, which was just really fun. But I picked up these little razors from my local drugstore, and I just, do this to get rid of it. It has not come back thicker. For all of you naysayers out there, it has not. Sometimes I'll go above the brows or even below the brows and just get a really nice, clean, I don't want to say shave because I'm not a man, but you know what I'm saying. It gets things looking really good. Number 15 is about silk pillowcases. I have been a big fan of a silk pillowcase for a couple of years now. So I think most people think of silk pillowcases for hair, which that is very much true. It really does help to keep your hair looking nice, but it also helps in case you're one of those sleepers like this, when you get the creases on your face. The silk pillowcases really helps to prevent the creasing, which, as we all know, when you repeat something over and over again, it becomes a problem. So if you can keep creasing the same area over and over again, then you're gonna be more likely to get a wrinkle in that area. So the silk pillowcases can really help to prevent that. All right, guys, those are my best skincare tips, tricks, hacks, you name it. Those are all things that have been tried and true and tested by moi. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please leave a comment below and let me know what video you want to see next from me. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to visit me on my blog, AngelaLanter.com. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I love y'all so much. Au revoir.
She wanted producer credit.
Oh, you got producer credit?
Yes.
You get producer credit, baby. Hi.
All right, let's go hit cut.